Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to speak directly to every mother who is awake pumping right now. If you're watching this in the middle of the night while the rest of the house is asleep, I want you to know that you're not alone. Around the world, many mothers are awake at this very moment, quietly following the same routine. Night pumping isn't always easy. It means setting up your pump, collecting milk, cleaning the equipment, and then trying to get a little more sleep before the next feeding or pumping session. Some nights feel long, and you may wonder if anyone understands how much effort goes into these quiet hours. The truth is, many mothers share the same experience, even if it isn't talked about very often. Take this time to be gentle with yourself. Sit comfortably, breathe slowly, and remember that you don't have to rush. A calm and relaxed routine often feels much more manageable. Keep everything you need close by before bedtime. Having your pump, storage containers, water, and cleaning supplies ready can make nighttime sessions much easier. It's also okay if every session isn't the same. Some nights you'll collect more, some nights less. Small day-to-day differences are completely normal. As your baby grows, these late-night routines will gradually change. What feels challenging today won't last forever, and many mothers find that nighttime pumping becomes easier with time. You are doing something that requires patience, consistency, and love. Every session is part of the care you provide for your baby, and that dedication matters. So if you're awake pumping right now, take a deep breath, be proud of yourself, and remember, you are stronger than you think. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.